stare at you, do not buy this romper, okay? If you want to be snatched, this is the romper for you, okay? I'm wearing a size small. I'm 135 pounds. It literally fits like a glove. It is so like snatching from here that it's making me look like I have like little hips, which I don't have hips. So I like the way that it's bringing out my hips. This is what it looks like from the back. This is like a halter style, and yes, you can adjust it. But girl, do not say I didn't warn you, okay? Link is right here.
Ay, patube siya, Mima. Patube. Anong size? Size large, medium, mi. Sige, go. Available lahat ng sizes, Mima. Size large, patube, Mima. With padded. 89 pesos, code 10. 89 pesos, code 10. Ay, atake ka dito, sis. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Okay, yours na. Ay, nagbalik, mama. Ay! You're back. You're here. Letter from me. Pa-confirm ako letters from me. Pa-confirm ako letters from me. Yours na to, Mima.
Naiihi na ako ba? Naman umihi dito.
La. May pa-confirm ako letters from me. Wala naman yung headband mo. Naiwan ko, wala din akong kilay.
Be, pabot na dyan yung tablet ko.
Wala po, ate. 89 pesos.
Wala?
Wala po.
Oh no, yun pala.
Dito na nga.
Mga pang kids to ba yan? Ayun, yung tatlong box dyan. Bye-bye.
Ingat. Okay, another. Yours na, mami, letters from me. Okay, another. Comment kayo kung anong mga ano nyo. Anong mga gustong-gusto nyo. Okay. Another. What is this? Ay, pa-short mima ko. Pa-cycling. Ay, atake ka dito, sis. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Oh, sa mga hindi pinapayagan ng jowa niya nga na ano, mag-two-piece. Oh, eto. Size medium, guys. Ay, bongga, mima. Underwire po naman, please. Sige, go! Okay, size medium, guys. Ay, bongga ato. 89 pesos. Code 4. Code 4, Mima. Code 4. Ay, nagbongga ato. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Size medium pa short, Mima. Oh, di ba? Sa mga hindi pinapayagang mag-two-piece dyan. Oh, size medium, code 4. Okay, yours na, Mami Jasmine. Pa-confirm. Pa-confirm ako, Mima. Yours na too. $89 pesos. Yes, yours na, Mami Jasmine. Okay, another. Another. Ay, pa-pink. Pa-pink akla na may green. Ah, size medium again, Mima. Ay, pa-high-waist ang atake. Size medium. Size medium, code 5. Size medium, code 5. Size medium, code 5. Lang, tignan ko nga tong account. Classified by Ayesha. Wait lang, guys. May nagtatanong. Okay. Size medium, guys. XS. Ate XS to. Small one piece. Sige, go. Meron tayong ganyan. Available. Okay, size medium. Ay, atake akla. Pa-high waist. Code 4. Code 4 ako nito, Mima. 89 pesos. Oh, papadded yan ha, papadded. 89 pesos, 89 pesos, code 4. Pa-code 4. Ay, walang nag-mind. Okay, another flex. Another. Ay, another Frank. Another Frank Mima. Ay, ano kaya ito? Anong size? Oh, size medium again, Mima. Ay, ang shalat, ang kini meron. Yes, Mima, meron. Abang-abang ka lang dyan. Random flexing mga Mima ko. Okay. Size medium, guys. Size medium, code 5. Size medium, code 5. Ay. Size medium, code 5, Mima. Code 5. Okay, wala. Anong waistline ng med? Size 30, Mima. Size 30. Size 30, Mima. Malaki pala. Small lang, misis. Okay, another. Sige, go. Meron tayong ganyan, Mima. Abang-abang ka lang dyan. Available lahat ng ng ating sizes. Okay, another. Size large, Mima. Pa-size large ang atake. Oh, di ba? Pa one piece. Oh, ang ganda ang shala. Oh, tingnan mo naman yan. Yayamanin sis. Oh, size large, code 5. Code 5. Size large, 89 pesos, code 5. Code 5. 89 all tayo, ha? Sige, go! Available. Meron tayong ganyan, sis. Abang-abang ka lang dyan. Okay, another. Ay, Black Mima na may pa-ista-star. Anong size? Oh, size medium again, Mima. Size medium. Size medium. Oh, shala, Mima, may paganyan siya, oh. Size medium, code 5. Size medium, code 5, Mima. Code 5. Wala yung song. Okay, another.